is good, everybody? We're out here at Puddingstone Reservoir, lovingly known as the Pud. It's a holiday, February 15th, I think. So yeah, me and a few of the guys came out here, just kind of fun fishing, hanging out on the day off. This is only my second time here at Puddingstone, so looking forward to it. I'm gonna throw an A-rig around, with worms and stuff. I don't know, we'll see. Just kind of want to explore some parts of the lake that I haven't seen before, so that's why I'm kind of going over here first thing rather than looking at like drop off over on the other side. But yeah, guys, a bunch of us are out here today. I think at least like 7, maybe 8, maybe even more guys on kayaks, to be honest with you. But yeah, let's see if we can get on some fish. Yeah. Oh, little dinker. I'll take it though. This is my first Puddingstone fish. Oh, really? Yeah. All right, little buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. Little guy on the drop shot. I don't know. I don't think he'll keep. All right, guys, we got the one fish on the drop shot. I threw it around a little bit more, but nothing. I'm gonna try this little underspin, just slow rolling it, see what we can do. Come on. He shook off right at the freaking boat, dude. Come on. Yes, let's go. On the A-rig, bro. Yes, sir. Nice, dude. On the old A-rig. Check her out. Off you go. Alrighty, folks, That was fish number 2, decent one, couple pounds. I didn't measure it, dude. I don't know, just having fun today. But yeah, came on this G-Funk G-rig, I think, Cali bladed rig they call it. Got some 3.8 Kitex and some, I think, 2.8 Easy Shiners. This thing is juicy, dude. This thing is juicy. Let's get back on them. Yeah. Yep. So I'm not really looking forward to that, but I live only a couple minutes from there, so I'm out there a lot. No, I mean, the tournament that they're gonna have out here isn't for a while. Huh? Yeah. But yeah, the tournament's not out here for a while, but all the guys were coming out, so I was like, you know what, I'll go to Puddingstone because I'm still learning the lake, you know. Like I said, I've only been here once, so. Yeah, last time I was here, I got skunked, so I'm happy. Yep. Nice little chunk. Probably, I don't know, pound or so. It's about 14. It's like, you just want to fish what you... Are you serious? Just skip it again? I think I just got some grass or something. Nope, there he is. There he is. There he is. He was there the whole time. No. That's a good fish. Look at this. Pull out a can. There we go. That was almost fun to watch. That's a good fish. Yeah, he came back and hit it the second time. Yeah. So look at. You're catching fish or I'm catching a can. I caught a trash bag earlier, don't worry. Awesome. I caught a can and a t-shirt and a shoe the other day. Yeah, he like, I think he swiped at it, missed it. I swung on him and he came back. Nice fish, dude. Let's go. Dude, you honestly, you'll realize it after I tell you this. You have no idea how lucky you are to be here for your second time with fish like that. You go with your skill factor, which helps, but it's not like that here. It is for you. This is going to become one of your favorite places. A great fish no matter how you slice it. Yes, sir. $1,000 fish at Lake Havasu last weekend. Exactly. Solid 19. Around 4 pounds 2 ounces. That is pure pre-spawn bass right there. All right, let's get you back, big girl. Yeah, that was a great fish. 4 pounds 2 ounces, 19 inches. That's your personal best for here so far. Oh yeah, easily. Dang, she had some sharp teeth on her. I got my thumb ripped up. Shout out to Shane, Bass Loves Fishing, my boy. Got my thumb ripped up. Thanks to you, buddy. Appreciate it. I gotta dedicate that big into you. All right, guys. I guess we're throwing this A-rig for a while, huh? Yeah, guys. We're what was that? Three or four fish now. 3 on the A-rig, I think, and 1 on the drop shot. So we're doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. Like I said, shout out to Shane for the inside information on this this point and this bait. But yeah, dude, a little 4-pounder, 19-inch. Ripped my thumb up, and we're gonna keep chucking this bait around. I think they it depends who you get too. Some of them are sticklers, you know. Some of them, the lady this morning didn't even look at it.
Yeah, I know. She happens to be one of my friends. But they're not all.
Yeah.
I was a smidgen concerned this morning. No way. You're like on fire, dude. I can't even make it.
Again.
You're like the littler bass, man.
Let's go. Again, dude. What is that? 4? 3?
4.
That's 4. Nothing to see here. on the Bama rig again, boys. Let's go. Yep. Again, solid fish, guys, on the Bam rig. I know. Let's go.
That was not. Oh, wait, yeah, now it's funny. Dude, this is on the.
There you go.
Right.
Me and my new buddy Mark, we're on him.
It's on.
We're on him on the A-rig. Got a little 15-incher here. Fish number 6. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Ooh, boy. That's number 7, guys. Holy cow. Number 7, baby. 14.5. Boy, I'm glad I came to Puddingstone today. I think we got him figured out a little bit. What do you think? This guy hammered it. Guys, number 7. Let's freaking go. He goes about 15.5. Number 7 on the A-rig, boys. What a day. Holy cow. What a day. Retying, mangled my line up. And to think I was complaining about coming to Puddingstone today. I was like, I should have went to Paris. Why'd I drive out here?
Good job, bro.
Thanks, dude.
By the time I see you, there's no reason why you can't get 2 minutes today.
Uh-oh. Look who we got.
What's up, my guy?
Yo. Yo. Dude, I'm putting a hammer on him. I'm putting a hammer on him.
Shut up.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I swear to you. Look, hold on. I'm gonna show my thumb in the video right now. My thumb is ripped up, bro.
You caught him all in the juice?
On the juice, bro. And
What are you getting him on?
dude, I got 1 on the drop shot this morning, a little dink, and I have 7 on the A-rig since. And I have 7 on the A-rig. I got like a 4-pounder 19-inch fish on it. The rest have been like 14 to 16 inches each.
No way, bro.
Bro, my thumb is destroyed. Their teeth are sharp here too. Like, it's weird.
Yeah, they like those thumbs, dude.
Oh my god, dude. And I was complaining this morning. I was saying, man, I should have just went to Paris. Why the hell did I drive all the way out here?
Dang, bro. We'll keep slaying it, dude.
Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. Wish you were out here with us.
Just make sure you give me the ultra plug, bro. Ultra plug.
Ultra plug. Ultra fatty plug. I got you. My guy, Shane, Bassums Fishing, the living legend. 11K on Instagram, 2K on YouTube. The legend himself.
The Puddingstone Whisperer, like he texted me.
The man is the Puddingstone Whisperer for sure. And I'm his Padawan right now, dude. Yeah, he ate it right at the boat, dude. Oh my God. It's a good one too. This is a fat girl. Chunker. Dude, smacked it right at the boat. That was weird. Put some pauses in your retrieve. They're hitting it on a pause. Nice fish. Let's freaking go, dude. Let's go. 17.25. Take it. All right. Off you go, girl. I think, guys, I lost track, like for real. I think that's either 8 or 9 fish. All but one came on this bad boy right here. Kitex 4.3 Cali bladed rig from G-Funk Baits. And it's been a heck of a day. I'll tell you that much. It has been a heck of a day. I'm having a blast out here. So I'm gonna keep checking this thing, see how many I can get. I'm trying to get a freaking Mondo, dude. I've got those 2 that were about, well, the one was 4 pounds. I didn't weigh that last one. Just keep chucking this thing out there, dude. And they're chomping it. So stay tuned, guys. What a day, what a day. All right, it pains me to do this, but I'm gonna put this away for a minute. It's been, I don't know, maybe an hour, maybe not quite an hour, but it's been some time since my last bite. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am making a move from that point. My lord, that was absolute cash, straight up fire, dude. Oh my god, that was some good fishing. I think I got 10 fish, 9 or 10, I don't know, dude. I'm gonna have to count on the video, so don't think I'm trying to inflate it, but I actually lost count. What a great time, dude. Chucking that A-rig, letting it sink to the bottom and working it real slow up, pausing on the retrieve, boom, boom. Dude, they were hammering it. Dude, I've been long overdue for a day like this, to be honest with you guys. As you've seen in my last couple videos, I've been catching 1 or 2 fish. It's been a struggle. But yeah, super happy that it came out. I mean, this is gonna be an absolute banger of a video. I'm moving spots over here to the dam and kind of working some of these rocks and stuff. It died over there. I don't know, the sun came out and they were hugging this ledge, this point, in about 15 feet of water, and it was like this ledge, and they were sitting on the ledge about 15 feet, and there was a drop off to about 25-30 on one side, and then it shot up to like 8 feet on the other side, and they were just hanging right there on that ledge in about 15 feet. So yeah, just let the A-rig sink down on them. They were hammering that thing. But yeah, I want to check out what's good over here at the dam. I don't know, maybe give it another couple hours, see if we can get on a couple more fish. But yeah, if not, whatever, dude. It's been a great day already. I can't ask for anything more. So all right, we'll see. We'll see. Alright everybody, that is going to wrap up today's video. It was a freaking awesome day, to say the least. Just to kind of recap, I caught a bunch of fish. Honestly, I keep saying I lost track, dude. I lost track. It was 9 or 10, and yeah, I got one first thing on the drop shot in the morning, smallest fish of the day, little dink, probably 11, maybe 12. But then it was pretty slow there for a few, you know, an hour or so. And man, it just caught fire there for a while. I was throwing the Alabama rig. It was the G-Funk Baits Cali bladed rig with silver components. On there I had 3 4.3 inch Kayak fat, I want to say Tennessee shad colors. Then on the little dummies, I don't know what they're called, I had 2 4-inch, I think Tackle Warehouse Pro Blue, I think is what it's called. I had 2 of those on the little dummies. Those are the easy shiners. And that's what I got all the rest of the fish on. A few quality ones. I think I got like a 3-pounder, maybe like 2 4-pounders in there. And a bunch of solid, you know, little 1 to 2 pounders. Just, they were clobbering that thing. So overall, just a freaking awesome day, guys. That Alabama rig was straight cash, and yeah, I really had a lot of fun today. I hope you guys liked the video. you know, if you did, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe. I got a lot of fishing coming up, whether it's tournaments or just fun fishing like today. So I would really appreciate if you guys did any of that. And if you do all of that, then you're a legend. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for the view. I will catch you guys on the next one. And yeah, I ripped my thumbs up today. Yes, sir. All right, boys and girls, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Bye.